Hello, friends. This is Bela Vora, Coldwell Banker Preferred, with another quick update regarding what's happening in the real estate world. As I'm recording this, this is 9th of May, and we're still under shutdown and shelter-in-place restrictions in the state of Pennsylvania. And real estate is still a non-essential business. However, it has been opened up a little bit to allow in-person activities for homes that were under contract before the 18th of March, or if you have essentially a homeless person who had sold their home and now need to have somewhere else to go, or the landlord has given them a notice and said, okay, you need to vacate before a certain date. So there are very specific instances under which we can do in-person activities. Otherwise, in-person activities are not allowed, and we could essentially be fined or reprimanded if we are seen going about our business as usual. So I wanted to give you a few examples of how we are creatively solving some issues with real estate and continuing to do business in this pivoted world. I have a client who's coming down from Florida, literally as I speak right now, and we're going to be looking at some homes with him. And I'm looking at the ones that were even temporarily taken off the market or withdrawn, or we're focusing on the neighborhoods that he likes, and we're going to try and find him a home before his family arrives next month. We have other buyers who are not looking to buy yet. One even said that it was 2021 that they were interested in, but the new construction is already talking. A lot of the new construction locally is talking about November and December deliveries anyway. So we are, having good analysis about what's available to buy in, the first week of 2021, which is amazing that we're doing all this research. And they were so thankful and appreciative that I gave them all the information that they now have as they wait to find their dream home. We're looking at sending out home inspectors who are doing, really intense, in-depth inspections, because I haven't been in the property, and it is important that I get my buyers get the advantage of my perspective as well. So I'm asking specific questions. We're asking the home inspector to call me while they're still at the property so we can get clarifications. So it's business as usual, but just done a little differently. And I'm thoroughly enjoying all the analysis that my clients are doing with me as I do my screen share or my Zoom calls. That is just phenomenal to watch. In terms of what the activities are right now, the month of March is when everybody got hit with a shock, and the activity dropped considerably in March. But since the middle of April, we are seeing the activity come up again. The number of showings have increased. To give you some stats, just in the month of May alone so far, so it's only been a week, 81 homes went under contract in Chester County alone. So yes, business is happening, and buyers are still looking to find homes, and um, they're making offers sight unseen. And in some cases, I believe, you just have to have a conversation. The sellers are walking through with their cameras and giving us a good feel of what's going on. It continues to remain a low inventory market. So please do, sellers are taking advantage. So another conversation I've been having with sellers is on what updates to make in case you've decided you don't want to sell the house right now. Well, now's the time to figure out what updates you want to make to the property before you sell. Uh, National Association of Realtors again puts out a report every year about where you can get your most bang for your buck. So is it paint? Is it finishing your deck? Or is it in the bathroom? I mean, we don't have unlimited funds to do everything. And if we did everything, we might as well stay put. But if those, what areas do absolutely need to be fixed before you put it on the market, and where will you get the biggest returns is the good question. That's one analysis I did for a past client recently. Um, you have to put it into if you're not able to Google that study, please email me and I'm happy to forward it to you. But you also have to put it into perspective of home values in your neighborhood, because you don't want to do a $30,000 renovation and then realize that you're priced out of the market for your neighborhood. So in the meantime, stay safe. If you have any specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I wanted to give a huge shout out to the seniors who are graduating this year. My daughter is as well. No ceremony for her, but we celebrated her at home anyway. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Thank you.